Welcome to day 4 of the 14-day challenge. Today we're building on the design we created yesterday. Go ahead and import your ruby ring into today's worksheet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily adjust metal and gemstone colors using just one simple setting. It's a super helpful trick, especially when you're working on custom designs.
Let's bring in our ruby ring to customize it and change its stone and metal colors. First, select individually all the layers of the ring and drop them in the worksheet. Make sure you don't merge the layers of the ring because this action is irreversible and you won't be able to customize the different parts individually. Reorder the layers, putting the ring at the bottom, the center stone on top under its bezel. Now the fun part begins. Go to the Adjustments menu, choose Hue Saturation Brightness, and reduce the saturation to 0 to modify the ring color from yellow gold to white gold. Do the same for all the metal parts, and then select the center stone, again Hue Saturation and Brightness, and now play with the hue to change the color of the stone, and by setting it around 18%, you can transform it into a sapphire.
That's it for day 4. You've just seen another way JewelKitPro can save you hours of design time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in day 5.